let's start. Okay, so in our video.html file we have created the video tag within our body tag. Okay, and within our video tag we are placing a source tag, okay, to embed our video's path. Okay, now just below our title we are putting the style for this video. Okay, so width is 100%. Okay, on line number 14 we will put video controls equal controls. Okay, so we can now see the video element with the controls turned on as well as the source. Just after the body tag we are going to place our script tag. Okay, so let's go ahead and place our script tag here, and let's grab our video elements. Okay, so we can do it via document.getElement by tag name video. Okay, in our JS file. Now let's check. See, our video has appeared, and this control entirely is provided by our HTML. Okay, if we remember that in case of audio we had to provide play, pause, stop functionalities separately via JavaScript, but in case of video over here we can see that it's being provided by the HTML itself. Okay, so see, we can easily play, pause, we can play from any point we wish, we can pause, we can stop it. Okay, now let's try to implement the same functionality via JavaScript. Now before that let's change the width to 50% to have a better look. See, at least it I have just minimized the width. So now let's go ahead, let's try to console.log our test video. Okay, and let's see what will be shown as the result. It shows us its properties. Okay, now let's console.log videos 0th element. Okay, so it's showing us controls and the source. Okay, now let's do one thing, let's remove the controls from the video tag. So see, nothing, the HTML functionalities have disappeared. Now let us implement these functionalities via JavaScript. For that we are going to create a play button. Okay, see, it has been created. Now let's put its functionality now in our JS file. So what we'll do, we'll just put a reference to our play button. Okay, so const button play equal document.getElement by id btn play, and we'll add an event listener to it, test video.play. Okay, see, it's working fine. Okay, so next we're going to create a pause and stop button. So we have created the pause and stop button. Now next put a reference for both the buttons in our JS file and add event listener for them. So first we are going to put the event listener for a pause button. Okay, test video.pause. See, it's working fine. We are playing play button followed by a pause button, then again play button and pause. So it's working fine. Okay, so now let's move ahead to our stop buttons implementation. Okay, so for that we are going to create its event listener, and within it we are providing our test video.pause and test video.currentTime equals 0, so that the video gets reset to its starting point. See, now the stop button is also. So now let's create the change button for changing the video. Okay, and now we'll also create its reference in our JS file and add the event listener. Okay, within it we are going to provide test video.src equals the path of the video, and then we are going to play the video. Okay, via test video.play. Okay, so see, this video got changed. Okay, so working fine. Okay, now we are going to show the time lapse for our video. For that, in our HTML file we are going to create our output tag just below our video tag. Okay, and give it an ID, say timeout. Okay, and I'm putting its initial value as 0. So in our JS file we'll assign our set interval method to a variable video interval. Okay, so let video interval equal to set interval method. and we'll be passing two parameters. The first one is our post time parameter followed by 1000 for millisecond. Okay, so our post time function, in our post time function we are going to write document.getElement by id, our timeout output element dot inner html equal test video dot current time. Okay, now let's see. So it's showing us the time lapse. Okay, now let's round off this time. Okay, okay, before that let me just rearrange this buttons, and this time see it's looking proper. Okay, so now let's do one thing. Just take another variable time in which we'll assign our rounded up value for time interval. Okay, using math.round method. See, it's showing us the rounded up value of time. Bingo. So next we will provide the time label for this rounded off value. Okay, see, now it's properly visible. Can add the unit also, but for the time being I'm keeping it as it is. So that's all for today. Let's meet in our next video with a new topic. Till then, happy coding.